Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change language on your Amazon Prime Video. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. As one of the leading global streaming services, Amazon Prime Video comes with a multilingual user interface. This means you can customize your viewing experience according to your language preference. However, the process of changing the language differs slightly depending on whether you're using Prime Video on the website, mobile apps, or other supported devices such as smart TV. In this video, I will show you how to change the language on your Amazon Prime Video on the website. So first of all, you can log in into your account, of course. After that, you can go to your profile in here. You can just click on your profile. Now you can choose on account and setting. Click choose account and settings. You can continue by sign in to your Prime Video. Now you can enter the verification code that Amazon sent to you to your email. Click on submit code. So in here, you can go to language, choose on website language, click on change, and then here you can choose the language that you want to use on your Amazon Prime Video. For the example, we'll change to Bahasa. Now, don't forget to save it. Click on save. So now we have changed your language on your Amazon Prime Video with the language that you choose. And if you want to change it to English, you can just do the same thing. You can go to account and settings and choose on the language that you want to use and save it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change language on Amazon Prime Video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.